Have you ever wondered how to grow your own juicy tomatoes right from the seed? Imagine the satisfaction of biting into a tomato you've grown yourself. The taste, the freshness, the pride. Stay tuned as we unravel the step-by-step process of growing tomatoes from seed. Step 1. Choose the right tomato seed for your garden. Now this may seem like a simple task, but it's really the foundation of your tomato growing journey. There are many types of tomato seeds available, each with its own set of advantages. For instance, beefsteak tomatoes are great for warmer climates, while cherry tomatoes thrive in cooler areas. Your soil type also plays a key role in this decision. Heirloom tomatoes, for instance, prefer well-drained, fertile soil, while Roma tomatoes can grow in a variety of soil conditions. The next part of this step involves planting these chosen seeds. Opt for a seed tray or small pots, and make sure you use good quality soil. The depth at which you plant the seeds is crucial. Around 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep is usually perfect. Once you've planted your seeds, it's time to move on to the next step, nurturing them. Step 2. Nurturing your tomato seeds to life. This phase is all about balance. Your seeds will need regular watering, but remember, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Overwatering can lead to seed rot. Aim for moist, not saturated soil. Next up, sunlight. Your seeds crave it. A sunny windowsill can often do the trick, but if that's not an option, consider a grow light. Either way, aim for about 6 to 8 hours of light daily. Temperature is another key player. Your seeds will germinate best in a cozy environment between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. A warm, stable temperature will encourage steady growth. Now, let's talk about the signs of success. When you see the first little green sprouts pushing through the soil, that's a sure sign of successful germination. At this stage, you can start planning to move your seedlings to a larger pot or garden bed. With the right care and attention, you should soon start to see your tomato plants thriving. So there you have it, a simple guide to growing tomatoes from seed. Let's quickly recap. Start by choosing robust, high-quality seeds. Then, plant them in a nutrient-rich soil, ideally enhanced with compost. Ensure they're properly spaced and not too deep. 1/4 inch should do it. Water them just enough to keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. And don't forget that sunlight, tomatoes love it. Now as they grow, keep an eye out for pests. A bit of vigilance can go a long way in ensuring the health of your plants. And remember, every tomato you harvest is a testament to your patience and care. With patience and care, you can enjoy the taste of homegrown tomatoes in no time. Happy gardening!